Amelia.
That wasn't me, it was Aurora, she pooted.
No, Amelia, that wasn't Aurora, it was you, and stop farting at the dinner table, because it's rude and it's not funny, and if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
I agree with your father, so stop laughing about it, because it's not funny, it's rude, and if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
Mom and Dad, I'm always being polite at the dinner table.
I know you are handsome.
We're so glad you're always being polite, our sweet prince.
Aw, thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Amelia, say excuse me when you burp at the dinner table. Amelia, stop it right now, it's not funny, so say excuse me right now, and I mean it.
Excuse Aurora.
Hey, Amelia, stop it. Mom didn't ask you to say excuse me, she asked you to say excuse yourself. Yeah, Amelia, I told you to say excuse me, not excuse Aurora.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Amelia, will you please mind your manners?
Yeah, Amelia, when you start burping at the dinner table, say excuse me, so mind your manners. You know what, Amelia? I can't take it anymore. Go to your room right now.
Okay, you stupid. Ugly weird mommy and daddy.
Did Amelia just say a bad word?
Yes! Aurora, I think she did say a bad word.
Amelia, how could you use that kind of language? You are 7 years old and you should never say any of these words at all because it's a bad word.
And that kind of language is inappropriate to use at your age. Now go to your room right now, and we mean it.
Wasa.